Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to clone apps on the Poco M6 Plus. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here just scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here just tap on dual apps and tap on create. Now from here just enable the toggle for the apps which you want to create a clone of. Just like that. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to create a clone of the app which you have selected. Just like that. Now once you have done that, now if you go to your home screen and open the app drawer, you will find the cloned apps which we have created. Just like that. And as you can see, the cloned version has an icon at the bottom left corner to indicate that this is the cloned version of the original app. And this is how you can clone apps on the Poco M6 Plus. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.